simplify this root square puzzle in easy and simple way. Given root of 48 plus root of 75 minus root of 27 all over root of 6 minus root of 2. We can break down root of 48 into 16 times 3 plus, and here root of 75 we can break down like 25 times 3 minus root of 27 we can rewrite 9 times 3 all over root of 6 minus root of 2. Rewrite them individually. Root of 16 times root of 3 plus root of 25 times root of 3 minus root of 9 times root of 3 all over root of 6 minus root of 2. Root of 16 can be written as root of 4 square times root 3 plus here root of 25 can be written root of 5 square times root of 3, and here root of 9 can be written root of 3 square times root of 3 of 6 minus root of 2. Cancel out. Here we have 4 times root of 3 plus root and square cancel out. We have 5 times root 3 minus root and square cancel out. We have 3 times root of 3 all over root of 6 minus root of 2. Simplify these numbers. 4 and 5 equals 9 root of 3, and here minus 3 root of 3 all over root of 6 minus root of 2. 9 root of 3 minus 3 root of 3, it gives 6 root of 3 over root of 6 minus root of 2. Now what do we do? Now multiply denominator and numerator by root of 6 plus root of 2 so that we can reduce the denominator. Here 6 root of 3 times root of 6 plus root of 2, and here root of 6 minus root of 2 times root of 6 plus root of 2. Applying algebraic rules like, as we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. A as root of 6 and b as root of 2. 6 root of 3 times root of 6 plus root of 2. So we can write here root of 6 square minus root of 2 square. Root of 6 plus root of 2. Square and root cancel out. We have remained 6 minus here also square and root cancel out. We have 2. here as it is root 6 plus root of 2 all over 6 minus 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 3. So here 3 root of 3 times root of 6 plus root of 2 all over 2. 3 as it is. Root 3 times root 6 equals root of 18 plus root 3 times root 2 equals root of 6 all over 2. 3. We can break down root over root of 18 like 9 times 2 plus root of 6 all over 2. 3 times root of 3 square times root of 2 plus root of 6. 2. 3 times root and square cancel out. We have 3 root of 2 plus root of 6 all over 2. Multiply 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9 root of 2 plus 3 times root of 6 equals 3 root of 6 all over 2. So here is our answer. Hope you understand and enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, like, comment, share and follow for more videos. Thank you.